Hello everyone, welcome to the show. In our last session we covered some of the GL postings. I believe we covered sample document, whole document, etc. And we were, I believe, on a recurring document topic, right? Now, what is that recurring documents? They are used when date and amounts are fixed. You have to pay certain amount of expense on a specified date and the amount is also fixed, right? For example, prepaid expenses, hire purchase installments, you have acquired so many vehicles, purchased so many vehicles, or financed so many vehicles, and you have to pay that fixed amount every month on a specified date. Then you can use this recurring document. So you have to create this first. We'll go to FBD1. I believe we have created the number ranges also, right? We need to have number ranges. I believe in our last session we have created these. FBN1 is the code to create number ranges. Our company code is 2222. Code to change, and SAP has provided X1 as a ID for the number ranges for recurring documents. This is done. Now we will go and create one document, and using that document we will post transactions. FBD1 is the T code. Go to FBD1, your company code. Now first run. What is today's date?
06/27/2020.
Okay, we'll go drop down. We'll go to 27, right? 27 is the date, and last run we will go for the, let's say, 12, right? So 6/27 is the start, and then December 27 is the end. And I have to mention how often you pay per month. A run date. So run date you have to give what? 20. First run is 27, right? So give 27. A run schedule, leave it blank. Document type SA, right? Now you mention that I am going to create a recurring entry, starting date today, and it will end on 27. I will use every month, right? Now what postings you want to do on that 27th of every month? I want to post expenses. Let's say I pay rent, right, on 27. You can put any date. Let's say I'm paying rent, right? Enter. Now enter the amount. I'm paying 10,000 as a rent. Business area 2222. Text is rent expense or rent paid, whatever you want to write. Now again, one more expense I want to pay. It's wages, I believe, or what GL I have, general expenses, right? Enter. Again it is 10,000, right? And business area for this line item is 2222. This is general expenses, right? Paid. Now it can be 50. Posting key credit. We'll pay through a bank, or you can enter cash as well. So both 10,000 and 10,000 will be 20,000. Credit. Business area for this also 2222. Value date is today's date.
Value date is the date where we do
this is the date for the check encashment, right? So bank, right, expenses paid. Now you simulate. This is the entry, right? It's balance, right? Now you will save it, right? Now this is 2003 document is posted, right? This is not the actual document which is posted. Now no balance is updated, right? We created a template, recurring template. Now because we have given the date of today's date, so I'm going to pay those two expenses, right? So how I will pay? I will use a uh, transaction code F dot, it's not 15, right? This is to display, so you can also display, right? You can go and check that document that I just posted, which is a recurring document F dot 15, and 2003 is the document. You can enter company code, and if you enter the document document number, it will display. Otherwise, if you don't know the document number, all recurring documents posted will be displayed. So our document is 2003, this one, last one, see, 20,000, and it is 27, run date 27. Now this is to display, right? Now I'll go to post F dot 14. Now I have to give the company code. Document number is 2003, right? Now system will go and check this document. All those entries within this document will be copied over, and you don't need to manually enter anything. Document type will be SA. Posting date, today's date. Entry date is also today's date. And then settlement period. Settlement period for what period you are posting, right? I have given 27, right? Right? Now you have to.
The rest, the blank places we are leaving, it's okay. What's the reason? Reference key, local system.
Say it again. Say it again.
I'm saying that we are filling the fiscal year, then we have the document number. So rest of the reference key, logical system, we have to leave this blank.
Yeah, you can leave this also blank, no problem. System will take the, what is the, what was our, let me check, 15, right? What is our document? This one, right? 40, 40, 627, right? So we have given 627, the date, right? It's 2003. FP03, no, it's not FP03, right? 2003. Oh, it's not FP03, it's FBD3, right? FBD3, the document we posted, right? 2003. This is the document, right? Now it's good. So so 627, right? Now you see here, session is created, right? Now you have to go, so in SAP where we post the revaluation, using a template, recurring document. We cannot post right in front, right? We have to post in the background to to maximize the performance, right? SAP system, many users will be using the SAP system at the same time, and if you are running these jobs, it will take the CPU processing speed, all those things, right? So that's why SAP has provided a function where you can run these things in the background. So you can go to session is created, we have to execute the session, right? So you have to go to services and you have to go to jobs overview, right? So you can also go to batch input session also, but go to the job, right? No, it's 27, right? No jobs, right? So batch input session. So sorry, you can directly go to SM35, or you can go to services, batch input session, and you see this session is created SAP 120, my name, right? Today's date, right? In India the date is changed, right? So you have to place the cursor and process, right? In the background, process, click process, and session transfer to background processing. Now you check the document FB03. If the document is posted or not, right? Today's date, SA, fiscal year 2020, posting date 627 to 628. You can enter to make sure the document is posted. This document number 7 is posted, right? Today, and it will be 20,000. Understood? We did not enter any debit, credit, right? We enter only once. And on 7th, July 27th, you will do the same thing. You will go F.14. You don't have to go debit rent, debit expense, bank credit. You don't need to enter these entries. Suppose you have 500 entries, right? This will time consuming, right? Save time. This recurring document. This document is saved, right? This is the actual posting. Using that document number 1003, which is F.15, right? This one, right? 2003 document will be used every month. System will copy all values from here and post a document. Understood? Any confusion? Good. Or you can also, there are different functions. You can say F dot, you can delete the recurring document, right? You can also delete company code 2020, sorry, 2222, and system will bring all those documents exist in the system. Yes, that's just a function, right? We learned, right? No list, there's no
बटन नहीं है, लेकिन ये कि डिलीट करने के लिए F.56 है, ये दबाएं F.56.
no, why is not showing any documents? (2020) no, it's not 2003, right? Oh, 2000, not 2002, 2020. Why is no list? Company codes 2020 222 right? Reference document type is not D, right? Sample document, recurring document. No list. I'm amazed. 2003 is a document, right? No, why? We have documents, right? F.15 2222 execute. There are the documents, right? 1 2 3 4 2000 2001 2002 2003. So these are the documents. So why they are not showing there? F.56, right? Delete reference documents.
Last time we said last time such problem was being shown. So I think you went above. You put the code F.56. Delete the document.
Test run, right? This contains no data. I don't know why. Let's say I'm gonna delete 2003, right? Last document. Remove the test run. Update run. Do you really want to delete? Yes. Program is in a production run. Okay, let me see if the document is post deleted. F.15 2222. It's not deleted. 2003. Amazing. Okay. Okay. FBD2. FBD2 you can delete also, right? Change. You can delete from here. Delete is there, right? No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, we learned also how to create, how to post, right? And about deletion, system is not delete. Company code, document number, right? Document number is 2003. Go to F.56 and enter company code 2222, document 2003. Fiscal years 2020 and execute in the background. No, what I'm doing is I want to delete, but system is saying there is no documents.
You created the document.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. What was our company code? 2222, right?
Yeah.
We created in 2222 5.15. Let me see.
Now the problem is you made new company when you Khalid started. Okay. Before that,
ABC Construction, right? Our company is ABC Construction, right?
Right.
So there is a document, right?
Before that, we used to have 5555, and I was alone with studying.
Oh, hold on. Let me see. F dot 56. It's weird why it's not coming our company. Maybe we have to give the range, maybe like this. We have to give it like that, right? 2020, 2020 maybe. No. Test run has no data, right? Document number 2003, 2002, 2003, right? No. Amazing. But if I go and choose the other students, they have yeah, right? Document 2001 under this company code. Last company, two companies have this document, right? But our company code, no data. That's weird. Anyway, we'll check. Anyway, this is the T code, by the way, to check the documents. Our company code documents are not showing. I don't know why. Sometimes there is a bug in the system also, but we'll verify. Once you create, always check, right, to see if your documents you are able to delete the documents. If I run wide open, now it's not showing on wide open too. Before it was showing, right? Yeah, these are the documents showing. Okay, hold on. What is our company? Oh, only we deleted the sample document, right? Oh, these are the sample document. I see. Only the sample documents are being shown, right? Not the. If I go to check these, no. Sample postings, recurring and sample document. So only not recurring documents are not showing. Maybe.
YouTube पे इसका जवाब जरूर होगा.
And this is one document, right? 6 steps. FBD2, right? We're not going to go to Everywhere it says FBD2. Oh, I believe you have to. Now I got it. You have to set the the deletion indicator. First I have to go to FBD2, two step, right? FBD2, and then I want to delete this, right? So I have to enter, and then you have to set the deletion indicator, right? Where is the deletion indicator?
नहीं है इसमें नहीं है.
This is deletion, right? Go to recurring document data, right? Click here, hat, recurring document data. So next, header button, right? See the hat icon. Okay, next document header buttons. In the document header, select go to. Document header. You see, yeah, you see here? Can you see it? You have to save it. Now it will show there. F.56. If you enter company code, it will show. Is it clear now? So you have to set the deletion indicator first, then it will show here.
Can you show the place how we can bring just play show it? Don't do it.
Right, yeah. First of all, I need to make a note here next time for the. In order to delete the recurring document via F.56, we need to first ensure that recurring document we are going to delete has deletion indicator set via FBD2. Go to FBD2, then from the menu bar go to click FBD2, ये आपका right, FBD2 enter, right. Now from here go to recurring data entry. Is it clear?
Recurring data entry.
Right, click here, right. Right.
Screenshot.
Oh my god, गलत कर दिया ना. Sorry guys. Menu view, recurring entry, menu view. Why view? No, there is no view. This one and then this one, right. Understood? I'm preparing for you guys.
ये जब आप कर लें फिर एंड में थोड़ा सा खुलासा बना समराइज.
Now the next time it will not have any issue, right? Oh, so the next is, hold on, let me see if I can enter the okay, these are the steps you need to perform. Then you need to go to f.56, then it will show. In order to delete the recurring document by f-56, we need to first ensure that recurring document we are going to delete has deletion indicator set via fbd2. Go to fbd2, then under go to click recurring entry data. ठीक है, it's good. Now what I explained here, let's say we have this recurring document, right? I showed you how to create it, how to post using this document, but if you want to change it, you have, or you want to delete it, you have to use fbd2, right? Go to fbd2 to change the document, this document, right? Now you can double click, you can change whatever the amount, everything, right? But what if you want to delete it? So you cannot delete here because the deletion option is grayed out. You cannot use this, right? So there is another T code F.56 you can use to delete it. But first you need to mark this document as a deletion. Mark it as deletion. How you do that? You have to go to under menu bar, go to, and then go to recurring entry data. A new window will open, and here we will see deletion indicator. Once you set this deletion indicator and save, then this document will be shown under F.56 2003. This document will show, sorry, 2003, no, not company code, 2222. Document number is 2003. Now it will show, right? Because we set this document as a mark for deletion. But if you uncheck that mark for deletion, this document will not show under F.56. So change it and go to uncheck this, save it. Now when you go to delete this document, it will not under any document will not show. You see, because this is unchecked, right? In order to delete it, you have to check first. Clear? Clear as a mud?
Yeah. So that was showing how to delete the document, right?
2 steps. Mangesh, F.52, I repeat 2 times.
You did.
So why are you saying 2 steps then? 2 steps, right? FBD2, you have to mark it as a deletion and then use F.56. नहीं समझ आई आपको अभी भी? ओके सर, एक डॉक्यूमेंट हमने प्रिपेयर किया है जिसको रेकरिंग डॉक्यूमेंट कहते हैं, राइट? दैट डॉक्यूमेंट इज यूज्ड at the month end to make your data entry fast, right? We created the document and I showed you how to create the document, how to use that document and post another document at the month end. Is this clear? I don't think so.
No, we posted the document, we reacted the document.
Right. Khalid bhai.
Yes, sir.
You see, there in many countries they have a die. I mean, they making something, a toy. They making anything. They create a die. Die means a sample, right? They put the material in, and they keep making it, right? For example, these bricks. That is a die, right? So they don't have to measure how big is the length, width, right? So they create the die, a sample. Similarly, in SAP system, if you have to pay every month on fixed date, tens and thousands of expenses, so how come you will make those 500, 300, 200 entries? For that, you will create one die, one sample, recurring document, and include those expenses in those. We created, right, recurring document. Now, at the month end, I will say, okay, SAP system, this is my document, just post, similarly copy this, photocopy this. Every month system will photocopy and post. So we posted 2003 as a recurring document, and then SAP system posts 7 number document, remember? That's what the purpose of this. Once you will do practice in SAP system, you will understand. Now, then I showed you how to change it. Now, how to delete that document? We don't, no need for that document, right? Then you have to go first mark that document as a deletion in FBD2. Go to this, and then you have to go this, and then have to recurring data entry option, and then deletion indicator. Then you only can delete it. For security purpose, system has restricted, right? Otherwise any person can go and delete it, right, by mistake. So that's why it's 2 steps. And then you will go to f.56 and you will see that document under deletion, right? This is now. I hope this is clear. Now Mangesh, tell me now. Now you have no question?
No, it's good.
It's good, right? Practice is the key. Now we will go to foreign currency postings, right?
Foreign currency postings.
Yes, foreign currency postings. Sometime, in your business, someone is telling you to pay us in, not in dollars, not in Indian currency, pay in dollars, right? Possibility, right? So how you pay the foreign currency postings? When your company code currency is Indian rupee, right? When you create your company, you specify one currency, which is company code currency, right? Right. If you go to SPRO, I explained you again. It's a long time, right? You don't remember. When you create a company, you have to specify one under enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, company, right? Now you go to your company, double click, you see there is this country, there is one field called currency, right? This is what? INR. My company code currency is INR. Now if I'm posting any document in USD, system will translate, exchange rate. We have to maintain exchange rate. Then when you post in USD, system will automatically translate into Indian currency. For that you need to maintain exchange rates. Is it clear? Now how you do that? First of all, I would like to explain some important terminologies with respect to foreign currency postings. Foreign currency postings, right? Foreign currency postings are those postings which are other than your company code currency postings. In our case, our company code currency is Indian rupee. Any posting other than Indian rupee would be considered as foreign currency postings. So we have to maintain the rates, right? And there is a T code OB08 where you can go and define rates. There are different types of rates: bank buying rate, bank selling rate, and then average rate. Let's say you are traveling to any country, you are carrying USD, right, dollars. Now you will go to that country and then you will go to the bank and will ask them, can you give me that local currency? For example, you went to Pakistan, right, or India. You will go to your bank or any place where they can translate and give you the Pakistani rupee, right? So they will have a rate for that date, right? If you go to bank and tell them give me Pakistani rupee, you are giving them USD, dollars, right? They have a different rate. But at the same time, if you go and give them Pakistani rupee and tell them give me dollars, that rate would be a different rate. At first point, bank is buying dollars from you. In the second visit or the second option, bank is selling you a dollar. Understood?
No,
No. Okay.
sorry.
No problem. You go to bank, right? So you have dollars with you and you want Pakistani currency, right? In that case, bank is buying dollar from you. And if you are coming back to United States, or first time when you come, you always go and give them Pakistani rupee and tell them give me dollars. In that case, bank is selling you dollars, right? So there is a bank buying rate and bank selling rate. That's how bank makes profit, right? They they buy dollars on cheaper rate, they sell dollars on more than that buying rate, right? That's how they make money, right? Agents also make money in the same way, right? So then one is the average rate, right, which is the buying and selling and buying rates average, right? That's called average. So in SAP has given one ID. If there is a bank buying rate, it will be G rate. If the bank is selling rate, then it's a B rate, B like boy, and average rate will be M rate. If you don't mention any rate, system by default will take M rate. We have to maintain all these three rates in SAP system, right? Now we have to go OB07 and maintain the rates, right? And then we have to maintain the translation ratios, and then we maintain exchange rates, and then we will post one foreign currency postings. So first of all, we will go to OB08, OB07, sorry. Go to SPRO or directly go to OB07 and then go to implementation guide, go to SAP NetWeaver, right? And then go to general settings, go to currencies. We have to maintain the exchange rates. That's what we are doing, right? Now currencies, right? Check exchange rate types. Check exchange rate types, right? So we will see, make sure GBM is there. You see, G is there, M is there, and you will see B somewhere else. B is there, right? So it exists, right? No worries. Now G M, right? Internal clearing exchange rate. No, M, average. This is there. Just make sure these rates are here. Then currency translation ratio, right? Is also there, right? We have to go for exchange rate M, right? From INR, our company code is INR, USD, right? Valid from today's date is what? 20. Yeah, we can go to exchange rate M, right? We can create our own, right? One to one, right? From the beginning of the already maintained, right? So one Indian rupee is equal to 1 USD, right? Ratio. If you put 2, then 1 Indian rupee will be 2 times the USD, right? And then we have to maintain the rate, but we have to go 1-1-1, right? Understand? I hope you understand this logic, right? Now we have to enter the exchange rates. Uh, exchange rate type is M. Foreign currencies INR, USD, and click right 1-on-1. Good. I just want to make sure this is good. Now enter exchange rate. Now what exchange rate you want to enter? It's up to you. If it's not maintained, you can go to new entries, put today's date, right? And or you can go to exchange rate type M from currency INR to USD and valid from beginning of the year or valid from today's date. Now, so this is maintained. So if you don't maintain any rates, the system will go and pick the nearest date. So the nearest date is 4/29/20. So we can also copy it, right, or create the new one, right? Enter today's date 27, right, and 65, right? 1 Indian rupee is 1 USD is 165 USD dollars, right? Clear? This is how you maintain the exchange rate, right? Now we post the foreign currency document F-02. Now today is 27. Essay document type, period is 6, currency is, you have to change the currency here, right? You have to change to USD, right? Now enter 40 is your posting key. Enter any rent you paid, right, or any expense you paid. I'm entering 1000 USD, business area 2222, foreign currency postings 50, give bank account $1000, same amount, business area, value date, today's date, text, foreign currency postings. Simulate 1000, document is balance, post. You see system is automatically bringing that field, right? 65. Document is posted. Go and display the document. Now here it says $1000, right? USD, and you can go to display the currency. It will show in Indian rupee. Clear? And if you go display currency, it will show 1000. Display currency 65,000 because it was posted in foreign currency. Next we will continue. Remaining will continue in the next session. Right? We learned today how to post a foreign currency document, how to post the recurring document, how to change, delete the recurring document, right? How to maintain the foreign exchange rates, how our types of rates are in SAP system. Next we will go and learn interest calculation. For example, you get a loan, how SAP system will calculate interest on loans. You have maybe thousands of loans, right? So how you calculate interest? For example, if you giving loans, you are a bank and you have SAP implemented, you're giving loans, right? How you calculate interest? We have to receive, or in case the other way around, if you getting a loan and you have to pay the interest, we'll learn in the next session. Until then, take care of yourself and
Take care. Good night.
good night. Take care.